What duplicate files are safe to delete? First, let's talk about what duplicate files are. These are simply copies of the same file or folder that exist in different locations on your computer. They might look or sound harmless, but they can quickly clutter up your system without you even realizing it. Now you might be wondering, how do these duplicates get created? Well, it often happens when you download the same file more than once, either by mistake or over time. Sometimes we manually copy files to another location for backup purposes, but they get duplicated during file transfers between drives. So, how can you find and safely clean up duplicate files? And which ones are okay to delete? The safest duplicates to remove are usually photos, videos, music files, documents, and old backups. These types of files often pile up over time and take up a lot of space unnecessarily. But you need to be careful. Avoid deleting any files located in system folders or program directories. Files like .dll, .sys, .ini, and .exe may look like duplicates, but they're often essential for your system or applications to run properly. Removing the wrong one can cause software issues or even system crashes. While it's possible to delete duplicate files manually, if you're unsure which ones are safe to remove, it's better to use a trusted tool like SysTools Duplicate Finder. You can find the download link in the description. Once downloaded, simply install the software on your system. This is the SysTools Duplicate File Finder and Remover interface. On the right, click Add Folder. Then select the folder or drive where you want to remove duplicate files. Keep the settings as default. Then click Continue. At the top right, enable Recursive. This will scan all duplicate files and display their sizes. Now, click the Delete button. Choose Current Folder and all child folders, then click Yes to continue. Click Yes again to start the process. And that's it. Your duplicate files are now removed. And that's it. That's how you can remove duplicate files using these methods.